Hello, everyone. I am going to show you today how to go ahead and create a portfolio, and you could also update, upload, and do everything for your portfolio defense. So first things first, you're going to click on Home. So you should be on Zello. Click on Home and click on Portfolios. Now, if you already have some artifacts from your other classes, you are going to see them here. But for this instance, in this case, you are going to go ahead and go add portfolio. And then for your title, you are going to put your name. So my name is Nancy Romero. And then I'm going to put portfolio and defense. Okay. Add description. So this is, everyone needs to have the same title, portfolio and defense, but you're going to put, the only difference is your name and last name. Then you're going to put your grade level where it says add a description. Let's say I'm in eighth grade. I'm going to put eighth grade. So you put sixth grade, seventh grade, eighth grade. Then you click create portfolio. Now here, this is where you are going to add a section. So you click add section. And then here, you're going to put my presentation slides. Oh, slides. Here you go. Then it says choose media to add to this section. I want you to go ahead and click external media. So you're going to click external media. Then you click next. Now you're going to be able to see that you have different icons. So you could actually upload on any different things here, but I want you to focus on the second one. That's the link. Okay, you click on the link. Now, when you go to your presentation, it is very, very important that you click on share and make sure it says anyone with link for your general access. If it doesn't say that, you're going to click on the little arrow and then you're going to go down and click anyone with link. Make sure it states that it is viewer only. We do not want anyone messing with your presentations. Then you're going to click copy link. Then you click done. You're going to go back to your portfolio and you are going to now paste the link there. Click upload. Then it says you've chosen one file. Then you click next. Now here it says title. Make sure it has your name. So again, my name is Nancy Romero, and I'm just going to put my presentation slides. Okay. Then external media title, you're going to put portfolio. Oopsie. Portfolio defense. Defense. Okay. Now when you go down, you're going to click add to portfolio. Click add to portfolio. And now it's there. Okay. Now here's the other thing. It says here that you could also add a cover image. Please make sure you add a cover image that relates to your magnet program. I'm going to click on choose a local file and I'm going to choose this, just this picture. Why? Because it is appropriate and it talks about my magnet program. I click open, apply, and then there we go. I will go ahead and now know that this here is for my portfolio defense. Now, the next thing, it says add media to section. You could click here and now you could also add your PBLs. So whatever PBLs you want to focus for your portfolio defense, you're going to put them here. And then guess what? You click on link again, and then you put the link to your PBL. Okay, and that's going to be your artifacts. Okay, so that is it. Let me just go back. Okay, so this is now created. It's saved. And that's it. Thank you. Have a good one.